Augmented reality, AR, is a technology that superimposes a computer-generated image on a user's view of the real world, thus providing a composite view. AR can be used in a variety of industries, including healthcare, education, manufacturing, and retail. There are many ways to use AR to start a business. One way is to create an AR app that allows users to interact with a product or service in a new and engaging way. For example, an AR app for a furniture store could allow users to see how a piece of furniture would look in their home. Another way to use AR to start a business is to create an AR-powered training program. AR-powered training programs can be used to train employees on new skills or procedures in a safe and realistic environment. AR is a powerful technology that can be used to create new and innovative business solutions. If you are looking for a way to start a business, AR is a technology that you should consider. Here are some specific examples of how AR is being used to start businesses. Furniture stores. Furniture stores are using AR to allow customers to see how furniture would look in their homes before they buy it. This can help customers make more informed decisions about which furniture to buy. Auto dealerships. Auto dealerships are using AR to allow customers to take virtual test drives of cars. This can help customers experience what it would be like to drive a car before they buy it. Museums. Museums are using AR to provide interactive experiences for visitors. This can help visitors learn about the museum's exhibits in a more engaging way. Retail stores. Retail stores are using AR to help customers find products and learn about their features. This can help customers make more informed decisions about which products to buy. These are just a few examples of how AR is being used to start businesses. As AR technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and creative applications for this technology in the future.